Hafa day, my name is Jeremy from Cherry Detailing. We specialize in auto detailing, ceramic coating, and window tinting. Last video you guys saw us performing a 10-year ceramic coating detail to this 2019 Ford F-150. Today it's back for more, and we're going to be doing a complete detail. By the end of this video, this truck is going to look fresh inside and out. Before we get started, be sure to watch the ceramic coating job we did on this truck. This truck went from having a bunch of swirls and dirty to looking like a brand new 2023 truck, which is just incredible. Anyways, let's get this started, guys. Just like how we need to wash ourselves regularly, it's recommended you maintain and detail your car on a monthly basis. There's just so much benefits you can get out of maintaining your car and a lot of downsides to not doing so. There's definitely a process to detailing a car, but it's also an art at the end of the day. Every car is different and it always comes in its unique condition. The detailing process is meant to take your car from your current condition to looking its absolute best. The art is custom tailored to the service to fit your specific needs. Step 1 in the complete details by removing all your personal items and belongings. Anything that you deem personal and you don't want them lost or misplaced, please remove them out of the vehicle. But of course, if we find them, we will bag them up and place them in the vehicle when the detailing is complete. Now it's time to vacuum the interior. This vehicle does not have any carpeting, which is a plus, makes the vacuuming a lot easier, but we do vacuum the entire interior, all the cracks and crevices, removing any loose debris that is trapped inside the vehicle. Interior decontamination. This is where we scrub all your plastic, rubbers, and vinyl. Every surface of the interior will be scrubbed down and cleaned, opening up the pores. If we need to clean it more aggressively, we will break out our steamer to help break down the grime and gunk that are stuck on those plastic, rubbers, and vinyl. For this vehicle, it does not have any fabric or cloth seats, so we're going to use the steamer on all the leather material. But of course, if your vehicle does contain those fabric cloth seats, we will shampoo, steam, and extract them. This is the interior dressing. This is where we shine and protect all your plastic, rubbers, and vinyl. If your plastic, rubbers, and vinyl are somewhat faded, this will also restore some color back to your plastic, rubbers, and vinyl depending on how faded they are, but it will provide protection onto it against the UV rays. Don't forget to wipe down your windows. If you have tint on your windows, please use a tint-safe chemical on your tinted windows. You do not want to ruin them. Now it's time to get into the exterior detail. We want to make sure this car comes out really shiny because it is ceramic coated. First, starting with the wheels, tires, and wheel wells, make sure you use a designated wheel and tire cleaner and some designated tools so you don't cross-contaminate when it's time to wash the painted surfaces. You can also take this time to wash your floor mats and put them in a designated area for them to dry before you put them back in the vehicle. The process we use to wash the exterior is a 2-bucket method. This helps reduce the chance of swirling and scratches on the paintwork. This vehicle is a ceramic coating vehicle, so it should be a lot faster than usual. Once we're done doing the pre-rinse, we want to get into the foam cannon. The foam cannon helps distribute foam across the paintwork. This is not required, but it is recommended. It's also pretty fun to use and helps the workflow go smoothly. Once you're done using the foam cannon, you can get your wash mitts. We use microfiber wash mitts, but you can use any designated wash mitts for the painted surfaces. Please take care of those wash mitts because if they start to get brittle or abused, they will end up damaging your car. Once you're getting into the agitation phase, you want to wash your car from the top down. You do not want to wash from the bottom up because you will drag the dirt on the bottom of the car to the top. And because this vehicle is ceramic coated, it has hydrophobic properties, making the waters bead up and float on the surface of the paint, making it super easy for you to just grab a leaf blower and blow all that water off, making it a lot faster for you to dry the car. Remember, you don't want to air dry. You want to make sure you dry the car using a microfiber towel or a leaf blower. This is the perfect combo for washing your vehicle. And then once the vehicle is washed, we will apply some sort of protection on it. For this particular vehicle, we're going to be applying a ceramic spray coating, but for other vehicles that are not ceramic coated, we will apply a ceramic wax for that short-term protection. The ceramic spray coating adds a sacrificial layer on top of that existing ceramic coating so we can prolong the life of that ceramic coating. And then we get into the wheels, the tire dressing, and the Rain-X on all your windows, and then voila, the exterior detail is complete. The car is finally complete and it's looking absolutely stunning. If you want your car looking in its absolute best, check out our website in the description below to view our ceramic coating packages and our general detailing packages. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our content with your loved ones. This is Jeremy once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.